man.
Way big.
Hello guys, welcome back to MC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get way big in a Ben 10 fan game. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need the file. The download link is in the description. Right-click on the link, click Copy. Next, go to this PC, open Local Disk C, and go to Users. Choose your account name, click OK. Then at the top, go to View, Show, Hidden Items. Make sure that is enabled. Once you've successfully applied that, go to App Data, Local, and find the Galvin folder. Open that folder, then go into Saved Games. Now paste the file into the Saved Games folder. Close the folder and launch the game. You should now have Way Big unlocked. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Way big. Ultimate Way Big.